I fill in my eyebrow using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. Make an initial line at the start of your brows, starting a little bit inwards from the front of your brow and continuing this on to the end of your brow. Then repeat this process on the top of your eyebrow and fill in the tail. You should pay the most attention to the tail of your eyebrow and apply most of the product here. Once you start getting closer to the front of your eyebrow, use feather-like strokes. This will give the impression of lighter hairs and therefore make your eyebrows look more natural. Then I apply the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer around my eyebrow. This is to carve out my eyebrow and to give it a more finished look. You can use this step to clean up any lines and also to perfect any areas of the eyebrow that you feel you went too far with the pomade. Then, to finish your eyebrows, go back in with your angled eyebrow brush and apply a little bit of product to anywhere you feel needs it. I also applied the Gimmie Brow by Benefit to my eyebrows. This will give your eyebrow hairs more colour and make your eyebrow look more naturally defined. Then I placed sellotape under my eye and went back in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer all over my eyelid. This is to give myself an even coloured base to work with for my eyeshadows. Set this concealer using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. For today's look, I'm using Colourpop's Single Powder Eyeshadows. I take the shade Lay Low, which is light pinky peach, and I apply this throughout my crease. I blend this colour quite high through my crease, almost into my eyebrow bone, as this will help with blending later on. Then I take the shades Bratty and Going Steady, which is an orange and a purple colour, both on a packing brush. I apply these to the inner and outer thirds of my lid. I take a blending brush with a little of both of these colours on that brush and blend this slightly into my crease. Repeatedly apply these two colours into the inner and outer third of your eyelid and then blend them out using your blending brush. For a halo eye, the inner and outer portions of your lid should be the darkest and the middle should be the lightest. The purpose of these two shades is therefore to create an inner and outer darker portion on your lid. Repeat these steps until you are happy with the pigmentation of the colours. Also remember that for blending, the farther down you hold the brush, the easier it will be. This is due to the fact that the lower down you hold the brush, the less pressure you apply to your eyelid and therefore the less colour you deposit there. Then I apply a black shade to the very outer portions of my lid. Today I use the shade Boot from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. When doing this step, remember that it is easier to apply a little bit of black eyeshadow and blend it out and repeat that process rather than to apply too much black eyeshadow at one time. Then I use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer to guide where I'm going to place the silver glitter. To do this step, apply it to the middle of your eyelid and blend outwards. Then apply NYX Glitter Glue over this concealer and pack on a silver glitter using a packing brush. Once you are happy with this glitter placement, use your blending brush with a little bit of your eyeshadow and apply this to the outer edges of that glitter. This will help blend it into your eyeshadows and create a non-harsh line. Off camera, I applied NYX Retractable Eye Liner into my waterline and used Fenty Flyliner to apply winged eyeliner. Then I use a combination of the Urban Decay All-Nighter shades 1 and 7 mixed with a little bit of concealer to apply foundation to my entire face. Remember to blend this down the neck and over the ears. Next, I apply the MAC Mineralise Concealer in the areas that I would like to highlight and also to my under eyes. Blend this out using your foundation brush for a more seamless finish. When blending the under eyes, immediately set with powder to prevent creasing. Then apply the same powder all over your face and neck. Today I'm using the MAC Mineralise Skinfinish powder in shade Medium. Then I contour using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Kit. Your contour shade should be grey toned and is used to create shadows in the face. Therefore, I contour under the jaw, at the base of my cheekbones, around my temples, my nose, and underneath my lip. When contouring your cheekbones, it is best to blend upwards, and when contouring your jawline, it's best to blend downwards. When contouring your nose, it's best to blend outwards from the middle, and when contouring your forehead, blend downwards. Then I bronze my face using the MAC Mineralise Skinfinish powder in the shade Medium Tan. Your bronzer should be warm toned and it is applied to the places on the face where sun naturally hits them. Then I highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. Highlighter should be applied to the high points of the face. I like to highlight my cheekbones, a little bit above the forehead, my eyebrow bone, my inner corners of my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Next, I applied a little bit of iridescent glitter into my inner corner of my eyes. This was to make this area brighter. Then I lined my lips using a PS lip liner and applied Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. This is a kind of cool tone nude. Then I took the New Look lip gloss in the shade Rose Gold and applied this to the center of my lips. Then I took the Colourpop shadow in the shade Lay Low, that light pinky peach, and applied it the whole way across my lower lash line. Blend this out using a blending brush. Then take the shades Bratty and Going Steady and apply them about halfway across the outer half of your lower lash line. Again, blend this out using your blending brush. Take the black boot shade from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette and apply this to the outer corner to make your lower lash line more dramatic. Then for mascara, I apply the Benefit Roller Lash to my upper lashes and the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash to my lower lashes. Off camera, I apply the Ardell Wispies False Lashes in the style 601. Finally, use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.